In a grand throne room, deep within King Eric's castle, the air was heavy with tension. King Eric sat on his throne, deep worry etched on his face. The grand throne room, once a symbol of power, now felt like a cage. "The kingdom fractures, Joran," he said, voice trembling. "Whispers of rebellion grow louder each day. We need allies, not enemies." Beside him, Prince Joran stood tall. "We have strength, father," he responded firmly. "We will face any threat together." Night fell, and in Queen Alara's chamber, she gazed out over the dark forest. Behind her, Lady Seraphine approached with a vial of glowing liquid. "The king's time has come, Seraphine."
Can you imagine turning simple images into a full-fledged, captivating animated movie just like what we just watched? And even better, imagine doing it with AI tools without needing any prior experience. What if I told you this could be the key to launching a widely successful YouTube channel, just like those earning thousands of dollars monthly? Stick around because today I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen. In today's fast-evolving digital world, AI is revolutionizing content creation. Channels in the AI animated niche like Astral Legends TV rakes in thousands of dollars monthly, according to Social Blade. But with the latest advancement in AI, we're going to take this idea even further, creating a channel that stands out and captivates audience. So let's dive into how you can build your own AI animated movie channel using Kling AI step by step. For step 1, script an AI image prompt with ChatGPT. The foundation to any great animated film is a compelling script. We're going to start by using ChatGPT to generate an intense and captivating script for our movie. Let's create a medieval fantasy world filled with conflict, betrayal, and suspense. So here's how we'll do it. We'll ask ChatGPT to write a 1 minute 30-second script for an episodic film called The Throne of Shadows. It's a medieval fantasy kingdom with towering castles, dark forests, and ancient ruins. The script should be as intense, interesting, and captivating as the Game of Thrones series. The episode should include conflict, betrayal, conspiracy, and end with a cliffhanger that leaves viewers eager for more. Generate a script for this episode and provide AI image prompts for each scene. So we go ahead to add our character and their roles. Now, by including the characters and their roles, we make sure that ChatGPT gives us a detailed script with the visuals that truly brings our story to life. You'll find the prompt in the description box below, so feel free to use it. After it's done generating, you can go a step further by asking ChatGPT to give you a prompt to animate your images to video, just to help ease your production process. So step 2, voiceover generation with TTS OpenAI. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover, and we're using TTS OpenAI, an advanced AI tool that was launched in November 2023 by OpenAI. So this tool is perfect for giving your animated movie that professional touch. You simply copy and paste your script into TTS. You can either edit the script directly in TTS, or you can use a third-party editor to remove any unnecessary parts like the AI image prompts or whatever you feel needs to be removed. Then we'll go ahead to choose a voice that fits the mood of our story by searching through the voice library. You'll see that they have an interesting list of voices with different accents from different countries. So, just explore and get a feel of the voices to find the one that suits the concept of your movie. So once we're settled on the voice, let's hit generate. Within seconds, our high quality voiceover is ready to go. Step 3, image generation with Leonardo AI. So we need to create stunning visuals to match our script, and for that we're using Leonardo AI, a powerful tool that allows you to generate images based on the prompts we got from ChatGPT. So we simply paste our prompts into Leonardo AI and we'll set the aspect ratio to 16.9 for YouTube, that's full screen, and select any additional settings you prefer. Like I say, explore and get a feel of the different types of options available. So Leonardo AI offers a free plan with 150 points, which is great for getting started. So once your images are generated, go ahead to download the ones that best fit your story, and we'll continue this process until you have all the visuals you need. Step 4. Animating our images with Kling AI. So here's where the magic happens. Turning those static images into animated scenes. Kling AI is a text-to-video AI model that transforms your images into dynamic video clips. To access this platform, go ahead to type Kling AI into our Google search box, and 2 main results will pop up. So there's this, which can only be used by those residing in China, and it's the second link that we'll go ahead to use. That is klingai.com. That is the platform made accessible for international users. So we'll log into our Kling AI, and if you don't already have an account, you create one. It's a smooth and easy process. And once we're done with that, we'll go ahead to upload our images. You can add a prompt to guide the animation process, though it is optional. Click generate, and in few minutes, your video will be ready. Kling AI allows you to extend video duration by 4.5 seconds if needed, which is perfect for creating more elaborate scenes. However, that feature is only available to premium users, so that's one of the perks that premium users enjoy. It's one of the things you just need to consider if you're really serious about your channel. So just keep animating each image until you have your full set of videos, and then download. Step 5. Video editing in Capcut. So finally, it's time to bring everything together in Capcut. Upload your animated video and arrange the scenes in the correct order. Let's add transitions in between our scenes to help our video flow smoothly and make it more engaging. Capcut have a wide library of transitions, so play around with it till you find the right combination that suits your movie concept. Next, we'll add some effects to our videos. There are options available, so select whichever one suits your movie concept. We'll add a bit of animation also. I like to add animation to the beginning and ending of my videos, so let's look for one that will definitely capture the attention of the viewers, especially at the beginning. Adding sound effect is also crucial. This is what will truly bring your story to life. You can find free audio on Capcut, Pixabay, or YouTube Audio Library. So if you're unsure what kind of soundtrack fits your theme, you can ask ChatGPT for recommendations based on your script. We'll just go ahead to add our soundtrack, and please always ensure to keep the volume of your soundtrack and your sound effects below the volume of your voiceover. You want your voiceover to come out on top, so make sure your background music is not too loud and your sound effect is noticeable but not too loud. Once we're through with that, you go ahead to preview your video and make any necessary tweaks needed. Then download your completed masterpiece.
In a grand throne room, deep within King Eric's castle, the air was heavy with tension. King Eric sat on his throne, deep worry etched on his face. The grand throne room, once a symbol of power, now felt like a cage. "The kingdom fractures, Joran," he said, voice trembling. "Whispers of rebellion grow louder each day. We need allies, not enemies." Beside him, Prince Joran stood tall. "We have strength, father," he responded firmly. "We will face any threat together." Night fell, and in Queen Alara's chamber, she gazed out over the dark forest. Behind her, Lady Seraphine approached with a vial of glowing liquid. "The king's time has come, Seraphine," Queen Alara said coldly. "His reign weakens us." Lady Seraphine whispered, "The potion will ensure his downfall, and the throne will be yours." Queen Alara smirked. "Ours." As dawn broke, Master Varian moved quietly through the castle kitchen, disguised as a humble servant, but there was nothing ordinary about him. Carefully, he opened a hidden compartment, revealing dragon eggs that emitted a faint, mystical glow. He muttered to himself, "The true power lies here. The dragons will rise again." Later, in the courtyard, King Eric and Prince Joran addressed their soldiers. "We stand united against those who seek to tear us apart," King Eric declared. The soldiers cheered. Queen Alara exchanged a knowing glance with Lady Seraphine. As night descended, Lady Seraphine snuck into a secret chamber. The air was thick with the smell of burning incense as she chanted incantations over a dark altar. Shadows danced and swirled around her, crackling with dark energy. "The time has come," she whispered darkly. "The shadows shall consume the light." In the dead of night, King Eric sat on his throne, hand clutching his chest, struggling to breathe. Pain was unbearable. Queen Alara stepped forward, her face a mask of feigned concern. "My king? What's happening?" she cried, just as Prince Joran rushed in, eyes wide with horror. But it was too late. King Eric collapsed. In the dungeon, Master Varian prepared the dragon eggs for hatching, their glow intensifying. Meanwhile, Queen Alara stood before a mirror, watching shadowy figures flicker in her reflection. Lady Seraphine entered, triumphant. "King is no more. The throne is within our grasp." Queen Alara smirked, her voice dripping with ambition. "And so begins a new era, in the shadows." But just as victory seemed within reach, a loud, earth-shaking roar echoed through the castle, rattling its very foundations. Queen Alara's smile vanished, replaced by a look of sheer terror as darkness consumed the room.
And there you have it, your first AI animated movie ready to captivate viewers and potentially earn revenue through YouTube partner program, sponsorship deals, and more. If you want to explore even more advanced AI tools, check out my tutorial on Luma AI, linked in the description box below and in the card above. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI-powered content you would like to see next. Your feedback helps me create videos that bring the most value to you. Happy creating!